What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button. If you have not done so, just takes a second. It really helps out the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at replacing a battery on an APC UPS Tower with an RBC55 cartridge. Unbox your replacement batteries, but keep the packaging. At the end of this video, I'll put a link to get free return shipping for Schneider Electric Recycle Program. The RBC cartridge comes with two identical batteries. On your tower, insert 1 to 2 screwdrivers underneath to create space on the bottom. Then carefully wedge something slightly larger. You can use anything sturdy like a hammer, 2x4, or any available tool to create 1 to 2 inches of separation from the floor. Open the plastic protective cover and remove the 2 screws and lower the metal plate. Locate the battery connection and disconnect. Then pull out the first battery. You may hear the UPS beeping. Take out the plastic separator, disconnect the rear battery, and slide out the second battery. Bring your new replacement batteries and remove any plastic covering. Then replace the batteries in reverse order, connecting the power couplings, remembering to put the plastic separator between them. Close the metal plate, insert the 2 screws, and close the plastic cover. On the LED screen, navigate to the main menu. Test and diagnostics. Under UPS self-test, press yes. Self-test will run and show a passed status. Put your old batteries in the original box and watch the next video to print out the shipping label for the Schneider Electric Recycling Program. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful recycling your APC UPS battery in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.